Before we start the market recap, in Friday's trade, Nifty ended with modest sharp gains, bouncing back nicely from Wednesday's biggest one-day decline in 3 months. India VIX dropped 8% at 12.25. Benchmark indices as on Friday's close at 3:30 p.m. Nifty plus 244, 24,207. Sensex plus 828, 77,569. Bank Nifty plus 793, 58,046. The big question: what's next for benchmark Nifty? A cautiously optimistic start is on the cards as WTI crude hovers near $72 per barrel, despite escalating Middle East tensions. Biggest positive catalyst: sustained FII buying, backed by dovish Fed and RBI expectations, remains the biggest bullish trigger. Biggest uncertainty: the only thing uncertain as on date is whether the Strait of Hormuz will close, or open, or close again. The US-Iran conflict has intensified, keeping the Strait of Hormuz at the center of market attention and geopolitical risk firmly in focus. Our call of the day: Nifty is likely to largely shrug off US-Iran strikes. The big picture is that bargain hunters continue to buy every meaningful dip, keeping the bullish undertone intact. What technicals tells us about Nifty? Nifty's immediate support is placed at psychological 24,000. A decisive move close above 24,257 hurdles would confirm renewed bullish strength, opening the door to an aggressive upside target at Nifty's 21st April high at 24602. The Gyan Mantra: look for fundamentally strong, technically bullish stocks that are temporarily out of favor. Today's bargains often become tomorrow's leaders. Now, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, 24,207 buy at CMP. Stop 24,783. Targets 24,257 by 24,602. Aggressive targets at 24,845 to 25,000 zone. Rationale: rebound play. Bank Nifty, 58,046 buy at CMP. Stop 57,151. Targets 58,300 by 58,707. Aggressive targets at 60,177 to 61,500 zone. Rebound play. Sectors likely to outperform: information technology, pharma and healthcare, telecom, private banks, realty. Sectors likely to underperform: oil marketing companies, OMCs, aviation, auto, paints and chemicals, upstream oil and gas. Our call of the day: vertical bar bullish on Sun Pharma, Divi's Lab, Glenmark, and Our Bank on any early excessive weakness with an interweek perspective. The one stock to buy right now. Buy Divi's Lab at CMP 6,836. Stop at 6,609. Target 6,897 by 6,957. Aggressive target at 7,151. Interweek strategy. Rationale: signaling a massive breakout, with a strong higher high, higher low sequence intact. Trading comfortably above its 200 DMA, 6393, indicating sustained long-term strength. Catalysts: 1. Defensive pharma buying is gathering momentum amid global uncertainty. 2. Healthy export demand and a resilient API business continue to support earnings visibility.